Big uint type is not an AVM primitive, but supported by Algorand Python to allow developers to work with bigger numbers. To use the big uint type in your contract, you need to import it from the AlgoPy module like this. Big uint type represents a variable length up to 512-bit unsigned integer stored as byte arrays in the AVM. It supports all the same operators as int, the default number type for native Python, except for the power operator, left and right shift operator, and the single slash division. Just like the uint64 type, you must use the double slash for truncating division when you want to divide numbers. Now, one thing that you need to be aware of when using the big uint type is the fact that the opcode costs for big uint math are much more expensive than those of uint64 math. So if you just need to handle overflow, there are multiple wide opcodes available under algopy.op module instead of using big uint math. Another difference between big uint and uint64 math is that big uint math operations don't immediately error on overflow. So if the result exceeds 512 bits, then you can still access the value with .bytes, but any further math operations will fail. Now let's see how you can work with big uint. You can instantiate a big uint type by wrapping an integer literal with the big uint class. If you provide no arguments to the class when instantiating, it defaults to the 0 value. 0 value is false, and any other values are true. Like Python's int, big uint is immutable, so augmented assignment operators return new values. Also, just like uint64, once you have a variable of type big uint, you don't need to wrap numbers with the big uint class when doing math operations. So for example, you can simply do math operations on the num variable like this. For a full code example of big uint operations, check the link in the description.